Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture we will discuss about nucleus, which control all activities of the cell. We will discuss in detail what is nucleus, what is the structure and function of the nucleus. This is the electron microscope picture of the inside of the cell, which shows different spot with the help of arrow. At the top with the help of arrow you can see lysosome, uh, plasma membrane. Next is Golgi body, nucleus, whitish one at the center. You can see a nucleus. At the center of nucleus is nucleolus, which you can see with the help of arrow. Chromatin network inside the nucleus. Golgi body, etc. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This is the entire structure of the inside of the cell. The nucleus is the most prominent cell organelle inside the cell. That is the reason nucleus is discovered earlier than other organelle of the cell by Robert Brown. It contains the genome, the cell database, the controlling material of the cell, which is called DNA nucleic acid. The nucleus is bounded by a double membrane, which is called nuclear envelope, nuclear membrane, which is double membrane, separated by intermembrane space. The inner membrane of the nuclear envelope is lined by meshwork of protein, mean network of protein, like a cytoskeleton, which is attached to the inner membrane of a nuclear membrane, which is microfilament. The size of the nucleus is 2 to 5 micron meter in diameter. It consists 10% of the cell volume. It is spherical organelle. The nucleus is discovered at the first time by Leeuwenhoek, A.V. Leeuwenhoek for the first time. Franz Baer in 1802 also described it, but in more detail it explained by Robert Brown. After that, it was concluded that it is a membrane-bounded organelle found in eukaryotic cells. What is the structure of nucleus? What is the parts of the nucleus? Nucleus consists of the following 5 parts: nuclear membrane, nuclear pores, nuclear lamina, chromosomes, nucleolus. We will discuss it one by one. Fourth one is nucleolus. Nucleolus is discrete, densely stained structure which synthesizes ribosomal RNA and assemble ribosome. Nucleolus is disappear during cell division and reappear during the last stage of cell division during telophase. Function of nucleus. Nucleus control all activities of the cell. Nucleus is the controlling center of the cell, which contain heredity material which transfer character from parents to offspring. It is the storage place of protein and RNA, production of ribosome, transport of heredity material to the rest of the cell, etc. This is the electron. This is the nuclear membrane. Also is the encouraging site of the genome. Labs is a protein which is laminin associated protein anchor the lamina to the inner envelope. The laminin protein which is attached to the lamina also anchor chromatin material, fix the chromatin material attached to the Labs protein which is attached to the lamina, inner membrane of the nucleus. This is the structure of the nuclear pore, which is a complex structure of protein which consists of cytoplasmic ring, transporter, spokes, cytoplasmic filament, cytoplasmic particle, nuclear ring, which is a complex structure which control the import and export signal and regulate the transport of material between nucleoplasm and cytoplasm. Nuclear traffic mean what is the substance which enter the nucleus and leave the nucleus. Nuclear import consists of ribosomal protein, nuclear protein, histone, transcription factor, snRNPs, rRNPs, replication factor, viral genome, which help in synthesis of ribosome, histone, chromatin material, synthesis of messenger RNA, help in replication, etc. Nuclear export consists of ribosome, subunit, messenger RNA, transfer RNA, snRNA, ribosomal RNA, viral RNPs, etc. This is also the structure of the nuclear pore protein, which is a complex protein regulated by calcium ion. NPC, nuclear pore complex. What is nuclear pore complex? Nuclear pore complex composed of nearly 1000 proteins, some of which are arranged in 8-fold symmetry. It consists of cytoplasmic ring, nucleoplasmic ring, and middle ring. The nucleoplasmic side of the pore exhibit a nuclear basket, where the cytoplasmic side display fiber which extend into the cytoplasm. A transporter protein is located in the central core, and it is believed to be responsible for transporting protein into and out of the cytoplasm. What is the function of NPC, nuclear pore complex? The nuclear pore complex permit passive movement across the nuclear envelope, also responsible for the receptor mediated transport. These proteins also have cluster of certain amino acids known as nuclear localization segment NLS that act as a signal for transport, which control the transport of material. Nucleolus that is not surrounded by a membrane. It is present in the cell that are actively synthesizing protein in active cell. More than one nucleus can be present in the nucleus. It is generally detectable during interphase of cell cycle. Contain mostly ribosomal RNA as well as a small amount of DNA. The function of the nucleolus is the synthesis of ribosomal RNA. The second function of the nucleolus is the control the cell cycle, act as a checkpoint for the cell cycle, control the cell cycle, cell division of the cell. Nuclear matrix act as a scaffold, organize the nucleoplasm like a cytoskeleton, act the skeleton of the nucleoplasm. It contains the structural component and the functional component. Structural component are different protein fibril elements, nuclear pore, nuclear lamina, complex residual nucleoli, RNP, and functional component which are involved in the transcription and processing of messenger RNA, steroid receptor, carcinogenic binding, heat shock protein, DNA viruses, viral protein. Different substances are present. It may have many more functions which are currently not known.